Hello friends, welcome back to EHS World. Today I am going to share the close view of a helicopter while taking off. So we'll see what is the helicopter. A helicopter is a type of rotorcraft in which the lift and thrust are supplied by horizontally spinning rotors. This allows the helicopter to take off and land vertically. Helicopter is also called chopper. The Focke-Wulf FW-61 was the first operational helicopter in 1936.
But we are very far, we should go close.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanking you for watching and please do like and subscribe my channel for upcoming new video.